Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the kind of videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today we are testing the final Beautybay palette that I bought from the recent launch, which is the Midnight palette. Now this is the blue and purple palette and not my favourite colour scheme. Just because I'm not really into blues. I love purples, I love pinks, I love greens, I love reds, all sorts of colours, but blue is just not my thing. So we're going to test this. I do love the purples in here, and to be fair, Beautybay's formula is incredible. So we're going to see how this performs against the other two. Also, it's only £10. Like, it's very affordable for a £16 palette. Like, you cannot go wrong. And I should have a counter of how many times I say like, literally. But yes, that is what it looks like. And oh my god, there's a black in there, and I'm really thinking of something really smoky. So let's get started. Here are the swatches, and for some reason I think it was this shade. Can you see how they're half swatched? So weird how that happened, but it is the way I was swatching them, because when I put my finger in again to swatch, like half and half just went darker. So I think I'm only like putting enough shadow on half my finger, but look at that. They are again like the formula from the Berry palette. The earthy palette just feels that much more smoother. Like one of the shimmer shades was just again like how that bit very daiquiri kind of shade was. It was this shade here called Jellies. So I think it is that like pinks and purples are harder to formulate, so they're just a little bit on the rougher side than the earthy palette, but they still performed well on my eye. So we are going to put some base on, and I see Alex in her video always telling you what base she uses, and I never tell you mine because I only use Beautybay base. Like, it never changes. So if you ever wonder what base I put on, it's this in the shade 3, which actually is nearly finished. So yeah, let's put base on. Let's get started. So the first shade I want to take, I see Missa do this technique where she just puts a dark shade and then just keeps going up. And I know I like to start from the outer corner, so I might start how she does. Let's see. I could just fuck this up because, you know, it's me in it. Let's try Hex. Let's do this. Come on, we're gonna do this. Oh, also gonna do this. Love that. I don't know how she does it because I don't know where my crease is. And it's so like I have not enough eyebrows. Oh, we're just gonna go for it, alright? Let's see. This is like inspired by her look that I saw, because I really love that look. Except I don't think I'm gonna mix like blue and purple, because that's just asking for a failure right here, isn't it? Then I want to go in with, oh, Voodoo or Iris. I love the tone of Voodoo compared to Iris. This is Voodoo, this is Iris. Let's go for Voodoo. See, I don't know how she does it because I don't have enough space up here. Maybe I needed a smaller brush. I think it's time to go in with Lavender. Next time I think I'll start a little bit lower and not as thick. And then let's go in with this pastel purple called Tranquil. And that will be the last of the matte shades. And then I'll go off camera and just kind of blend. Wait, she turned this into a halo eye, didn't she? How the fuck would I turn this into a halo eye? I could try. I could add like a bit of the black here, maybe. Like that. But some people are talented. I'm just not. Let me go off and blend a bit more. Alright, I will clean up the edge after. Now, shimmer. I'm not too sure. This is my first attempt and I feel a bit, it's just not me. I think this will be my last attempt, to be fair. Okay, let's use, should we go for Gleam? This shade here looks really nice. Oh, it's not picking up on a brush. Nope. But I bet as soon as I use my finger, yep, see, much better. Ooh, that looks nice. See, I like what Missa does. I'm just not talented. This is like drugstore version. Alright, I'm just gonna clean that up, do the other eye, and then we'll come back when, well, I've put some base on, but getting there. Finally figured out what lip to put with this look. I tried so many different lips, and then I just went back to my favorite Relove lipstick in the shade Create. Perfect. And then the lip liner I went with is Relove in the shade Super. Very cool tone, thought it would go with this look. I did put Still in the inner corner and the brow bone. I just want to finish it off under the eye, and I'm going to go in with a bit of Voodoo and a bit of Tranquil. Just like that. Wow, it really makes a difference. I'm gonna finish the other eye and then do a bit of mascara. I would put lashes on, but I can't be arsed. This look does need lashes though. Okay, I'm loving this look. Oh my god. Okay, it's not the best blend ever, because no way am I on Mrs. level, but this look, oh my god, I can't stop looking in the viewfinder because I can't believe I did this. It's only taken me 2 hours maybe. But yeah, what do you guys think? I bloody love the palette though, because it blends like a dream, and you know, if I'm doing a look like this and it comes out like this, it means palette must be amazing. The shimmer worked amazingly, but had to use my finger to really get it in there. There's enough mattes in there to create a lovely look. I love the mattes in here. Like, I just used the purples. I haven't even delved into the blues. I could have used a blue on the inner corner or something, but didn't delve into the blues, so it means you can create such a good look with just 2 rows. So definitely want to try out the blues at some point, but I don't think that will be my next video because I need a little bit of break from these Beautybay palettes. I love them, I really do, but need a little bit of a break. I've got nothing else to say. I absolutely love it. I could tell you what's on the rest of my face. I told you what was on my lips. I have the Doja Cat blush palette in Rose, and I mixed these 2 shades together so that I could get like a nice lavender kind of colour to go with the look. Obviously highlight has to be Wisp. Bronzer is always at the moment my Revolution Pro bronzer. Oh no, that's not that. It's the highlight in Sublime. This is it. It's in the shade Baleo. I love it, but I did have a bit of XX still on my bloody brush, so this end looks a bit more bronzed than this end does. Yeah, that's everything. So I really hope you did enjoy this video. Please smash it huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.